I really love hearing these kick sounds. When I'm working in my home office, I always get my cam ready and film or photograph our resident great spotted woodpecker. This November I went to the island Tenerife, which is part of the European Canary Islands, and was lucky enough to film 2 of the island's endemic race woodpeckers. The first star of my film is a ringed male. The great spotted woodpecker is the most widespread and most common woodpecker in the world and the European continent, and lives from northern Eurasia to the Middle East, Canary Islands and northern Africa. Based on morphological and coloration differences, at least 14 subspecies are currently recognized, but up to 27 races of great spotted woodpecker have actually been claimed, pending further research. And on the next tree, on the same picnic spot, I found a female as well. Most easily recognized in this species by the lacking red feathers on the head crown. By observing the same bird on the same spot, I could also clearly see that the female is somewhat smaller in size. It's sedentary and resident in its range. Only populations in the northern colder parts of its range may migrate southwards in winter according to food resources. The race canariensis is endemic to Tenerife and is estimated with about 100 breeding pairs. It is distinguished by the mainland population by a browner frontal band and browner underparts, contrasting with whitish flanks, and the vent is more red-orange. There is another endemic subspecies on Gran Canaria called tameri, but the rest of the Canary Islands inhabit no woodpecker. These 2 subspecies were recognized due to DNA blood samples that were taken from different birds on these islands. Outside of their breeding season, these woodpeckers live solely, but I managed to film 3 here at the same spot. They mainly feed on insects, especially invertebrates like beetle larvae and also bird eggs and nestlings, but in winter tree seeds, mainly conifers, often staple their diet. Great spotted woodpeckers are striking dead branches, giving series of rapid blows with the bill to get resonance, and each drum includes 16 blows. It also uses drumming with territorial displays.